Okay, so this is Firefox, main web browser in Ubuntu. It works basically just like any other web browser on any other computer. You can go to an address up here. Let's say, again, I wanted to go to Ubuntu's website. Just go to ubuntu.com. And it loads up. There we go. Simple. Okay. And let's take a quick look at some of the stuff in Office. Dictionary. Okay, so that's a cool program. Let's say I want to know the definition of the word dog. Type it in, and gives me that, of course. Very straightforward, very simple. One downside to dictionary is it is an internet-run program. So you cannot use dictionary locally, which is unfortunate. I'm going to actually look for a dictionary that'll run in GNOME, which does work locally. Getting things GNOME is a very, very simple task program. So I'll hit new task. I need to make a doctor's appointment soon, so. And I want to have this done by Monday. Oh. Oh, okay. So very, very simple, easy to use. When I'm done with it, let's say I've made my doctor's appointment now, even though I haven't, I just hit mark as done, and it's gone. It's still actually there. If I hit edit, no, it's not in edit. Should be. Okay, well. Anyway, there is a way to see previous tasks. Oh, close tasks. There we go. So I can see right there. It was actually closed today. Okay. Open Office. That's basically Linux's version of Microsoft Office. It was made by Sun Microsystems to allow Linux users to work with Microsoft files. It's now developed by Oracle, since Oracle has bought Sun Microsystems. Some say that OpenOffice may be dropped. The original developers of OpenOffice have actually moved off into a separate project, which is exciting. I am going to try that out at some point. But anyway, my document, blah, blah, blah. Just your normal word processor, pretty much. Very, very, very similar to Microsoft Office. There's also spreadsheets and presentations. Presentations aren't quite as good as PowerPoint, but it's pretty good. Okay. I'm actually not going to save that. We'll discard it. That's fine. And again, since I'm running a virtual machine, some stuff goes slow. So yeah, that is the basic story. The Ubuntu Software Center. That allows you to install applications approved by Ubuntu. And I will go ahead and show it to you. Oh, there's Ubuntu Software Center. Just a little slow today. And accessories. Let's take a look at accessories, shall we? Okay. And, oh, alarm clock. I want that. Okay. So I'll put in my password. There it is. That's the right one. Now if it works, it should start downloading this. The unfortunate... Oh, okay, it does download stuff now. It works. The bug is gone somehow. It's just a bit of a finicky program. They should be fixing that at some point. But anyway, so it's going to download this. And since it's doing that, I'm actually going to show you a must-have program. Because I can. So I'm going to get a program. There's a program called GNOME-Do, and it is fantastic for finding things and, you know, launching things, opening web pages, whatever. So much better than the default search for files command in places, because that thing is awful, but this program is really good. Okay, so I'm just going to search for GNOME-Do.